Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out the Palm Buds Pro that Palm sent over to me for my honest review. These earbuds regularly go for $129 but are available right now on sale for $9.99. The unboxing experience is quite simple. It reminds me of the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro unboxing because it has a latch and you just flip it open. You get the earbuds inside, you get the starting manual, a USB-C wire, and some extra ear tips. At first I didn't think they were in there, but they are, just in this little black bag. Now obviously I'd prefer if the boxes didn't have plastic in them because it's kind of unnecessary the way they're using it, but that's just my complaint because I like to be environmentally friendly. So the buds themselves are matte black and I really like the subtle logo they have on the front of the earbuds. It's not super harsh or in your face and they remind me a lot of the AirPods case. When it comes to the fit of these earbuds, it was very different from what I was expecting. I was expecting the typical in-ear fit, but these actually don't go all the way into your ear. They go far enough in that they fit securely, so even if you shake your head, they won't fall off depending on which ear tips you use. But they're still outside of your ear canal towards the point where you still can hear your surroundings if you wanted to. This should provide a more of a comfortable listening experience for longer periods of time, because I do know some people find the driver being shoved inside your ear for a while can cause irritation in the ears. So this obviously doesn't do that, but it still has the tip, so it makes it more secure than something like the AirPods, and it also gives a better sound quality than if you didn't have the tip at all. So that is something that I did like from these earbuds, but it has its pros and cons. Obviously that was the pros, but the cons would be that the active noise cancellation isn't as good as earbuds that have the driver more into your ear. So that is something to keep in mind as well. The noise cancellation is good enough, I wouldn't say it's horrible. It still blocks out those buzzes and stuff like that, but it's nothing groundbreaking, I wouldn't say. And the passive noise cancellation when you're listening to music is good enough already, but if you're not listening to music, like I said, you can hear things around you. The sound quality wise, I say these are pretty heavy on the lows and everything else sounds muffled. And I was like, oh okay, well I can just go and change that in the software. Turns out they don't have any software for these earbuds, which is a very big missed opportunity. Not everyone likes to hear the music the same way, so not providing them with an app that they can change the EQ settings for those specific earbuds is a big problem for me. Sure, I can use third-party options, but it would be a lot easier if Palm just created their own software. Another thing you can't do is change the smart touch controls. What you have is what you get for these earbuds. You can't change anything. There is no customization when it comes to that, and I think that is also another big missed opportunity. I wanted to touch on something that I think is kind of weird. My earbuds, if you guys have been noticing on like the B-roll that I've been recording, have been flickering for like almost every clip I recorded. After using them again and then putting them back in the case, they kept on blinking, and when I pulled them out, they said they're in pairing mode. But like they stayed in pairing mode when the case was shut, and I don't know why, and they stayed like that for a long time. If the 24 hours of battery life is also cut even shorter because the earbuds are constantly in some sort of connection mode, then that becomes a big problem as well. So going back to everything that we've been talking about, I think these are great options if you're looking for some grab and go earbuds that are more on the comfortable side than most earbuds that are in ear, and you like to wear them for longer periods of time, and you're not really focused on super crisp, clean audio. Sure, they sound decent. I wouldn't say they sound horrible at all. They sound listenable, and I still did enjoy listening to music with these earbuds, but they wouldn't be the first earbuds I would pick up. I do think they are a bit expensive for what you get, because there is no customization and there is no software. But if they add software and they add customization in that software that makes you be able to change the EQ and all that stuff, then I do think these are a very viable option. I'll be leaving all the information you need to know about these earbuds and where to buy them in the description below. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these earbuds in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.